Wait first. Subscribe now. Subscribe now. This question before us is on integration. It's a past question also, and it says, displayed before you, evaluate the integral of 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 with respect to x. With respect to x, you see dx within the boundaries of 2 and 1. So this is definite integration. We're going to evaluate the integral within that boundary. Yes. So if I am integrating, if I have, for instance, y is equals to x raised to power n, y is equals to x raised to power n. If I am integrating y with respect to x, this integral, integrating y with respect to x, the value of y is what? X raised to power n with respect to x. To evaluate this is given as x raised to power n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus what? K. That k is a constant of integration. Or you can say x raised to power n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus c. You can use k to represent the constant of integration, and you can use c to represent the constant of integration. So that is the general or the basic formula for integration. But when I'm integrating within boundaries 2 and 1, I mean that I will integrate this expression and then put in the values of 2, whatever I have, minus the value when x is 1. Let's begin the journey. So, integrating this first, I will integrate 3x squared. Of course, if I'm applying, you know what I'm going to do. This will be 3x raised to power 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1. Okay? So, I will finish all of the terms, and then I will include my constant k, the constant of integration. Alright, so let's begin. So this will be 3x raised to power 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 minus 2x raised to power, of course this is 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1 plus, by now you should know that 1, because we are integrating with respect to x, 1 is the same thing as 1x raised to power 0. You have gotten that. 1 is the same thing as 1 raised to power 0. X raised to power 0 is 1. So this is equivalent to 1 times 1. Alright? Which is the same as this. The reason why I'm writing it this way is because I want to capture n. So 1 would be 1x raised to power 0. Remember what you do to n? Plus 1 all over 0 plus 1. So that will become 3x cubed all over 3 minus 2x squared all over 2 plus, you can see that now, 1x raised to power 1 all over 1. So of course 3 cancels 3, 2 cancels 2. So what I have is x cubed minus x squared plus 1x raised to power 1 all over 1, that will give me plus x. Alright? Now I'm going to capture the boundary. I'm done with evaluating the integral. So the boundary between 2 and 1. But just before that, we forgot our constant k. So let's include it. Plus k. And we include our boundary 2 and 1. So it's important we note that. So proceeding from there, what are we going to do to that boundary? So this is a definite integral. We are evaluating the definite integral of 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 with respect to x within the boundaries of 2 and 1. What I will do, I'll put the value of 2, I'll put the value of x as 2 in here, minus the value of x as 1. Let's see how that goes. So this is 2 cubed, all right, minus 2 squared. Let me put that in brackets like that. Okay, plus 2 plus k minus, I'll open another bracket, and in the other bracket, I'm going to put what? X as 1. So that is 1 cubed. Okay, minus 1 squared. Okay. Let me just put that it is the same thing, but in times where these boundaries are negative values, it's important we note that. Okay, plus x, that's plus 1, plus k, and we close a boundary. I need some space. That's why I am doing that. Plus 1 plus k. So I close that. So this now becomes 2 cubed is 8 minus 2 squared is 4 plus 2 plus k minus 1 raised to power 3 is 1 minus 1 squared is 1 plus 1 plus k. This is 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 2 is 6 plus k minus into 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1 plus k. Look at what is going to happen now. So this minus affects 1 and also affects k. If I use the minus to open the bracket, of course there's an invisible 1 outside here. So this is the same thing as 6 plus k, because if I use that one to open the bracket, I still have 6 plus k. Minus 1 minus k. So this is 6 minus 1 plus k minus k. Plus k minus k gives me 0, and 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. So you can see from there that the correct answer is A. The correct answer is A, which is 5. This question is a very simple one. For an objective exams, you could simply know that k minus k will always go out. That you're going to have a constant value like that when evaluating a definite integral of this form. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, share, and like. Click the notification bell if you love what you are seeing. Now, Master, where did they call me? See you in my next class.